Hi guys, it's Jen. Tonight I am doing ramen. Some ramen. I got this from the store because where I live they don't have much. It's a seafood one. It's this udon type noodles. So yeah, let me show you my beautiful bowl. It's really, really beautiful. I made it beautiful, guys. Look at that ramen. Isn't that look good? Oh, I didn't even do my hair. Oh well, you know me, don't like to edit, so you're gonna get this. Now let's get started. I have lime here. I have raja. I have, of course, my Coca-Cola chopsticks. My fancy chopsticks. Got these in, I think my husband brought these back from Japan for me. So let's see. Oh, it smells good. Now it's a seafood type, so a seafood one. Ooh. Ooh. That's really good. Me. A little lime too. Ooh, it's got a little kick to it. So I'll tell you what I added. I added some beef. I added some cabbage. So I have beef here. I have cabbage up top here. I have poblano pepper, and I have jalapeno, cilantro, and green onion. So I don't think I need any more spice. It's really good spice. I really need to learn how to pick up noodles with some chopsticks. Of course, I use them for fun noodles, and fun noodles are thinner. So yeah. Fail. There's ribs. I added beef rib. Try that with some poblano pepper. I love putting cabbage in soup because it just brings out that, it just sucks up all that juice. It just sucks up all that juice. Guys gotta teach me how to pick up some noodles with chopsticks. There we go. I gotta get some. It's pretty good. It's a seafood flavor. Usually I don't get anything that's seafood flavored. I was looking for my other chopsticks. And then I had. Was that rude to lick the chopsticks? Oh, the spice is good. Trying to get it with a little bit of everything. Bonus. I'm just trying to make my bowl pretty. And have color into it and stuff like that. Wait. And stop. Wait. And I was like, wait, I need red. The sauce is red. So. Just tell me how it looked. I'm watching another YouTuber that does mukbangs, and she gets subscription. Great. More this in it. And I want to do it, but I don't want to pay for it. I'm like, no, we don't want to pay for it. Here we go. I think I have one. I have a pepper in here too. Oh, haro noodle. It's probably not that I'm left-handed, but just get grab it. There we go. Let's see if they stay. I'm whispering. I don't know why, but kids are in bed. Daddy's upstairs. Mommy's downstairs eating. I added cilantro in her too. I love all those yummy veggies. So yeah. Oh look, I found a napkin. There's baby wipes right there, but yeah, I don't want to use baby wipes. Trying to get some more cabbage. Oh, that's a big piece of cabbage. Stay on, stay on. Let's get that piece off though. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh, you got a mess. Oh well, I don't care. So the YouTuber that did ramen or cup of noodle, whatever it's called, was Chunky. Hey Chunky, how are you? Her name is Chunky but Funky. You go girl. I love your videos. Oh, that ramen she did in. Every step she took a bite, I was like, girl, you gonna share some with me? Cause I want some. I was like, oh man. Oh, is there some more white base? Oh wow. Look at my shirt. Oh, juices are flying. I'm gonna break this up. I love poblano. I love all peppers. Poblano's not spicy. I just used it because I had it and it was there. But okay, I want some of this. Say hello to my Coca-Cola. Oh man, excuse me. Uy. Excusez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Come on. So yeah, if anybody wants to give me something for Christmas, Mom, Dad, I want the subscription box. Just ask me where to go and I'll tell you where to go. My hands like cut off this whole video, but yeah, I think you'd rather see the food instead of me, right? Oh, I'm almost done. I'm almost done, guys. Oh. I've never had noodles like this. I probably have, but I just didn't realize it. That was gross, huh? Onion fell in my bowl, out of my mouth. Let's just pick it up and eat it. Oh, there's two in here. Here we go. Oh, it all fell out. Damn it. I thought I was gonna be like cool and be like, look what I can do. Excuse me. Is that how you guys do it? I'll just wrap the noodle. Oh, fail. That was a fail on my part, right? Sorry, I was dancing a little. Told you to watch the Funky's video. She gets all happy and starts dancing. It's contagious. I am Val. I just don't want to get up because I have pants on. Shh, I didn't say that. Oh, come on. Oh. I'm almost done, guys. That's how yummy it was. Okay, ready? It's the seafood one, but it doesn't have that much seafood. I mean, you can tell that there's a seafood flavor, but other than that, It's not much, and I'm thinking there's a seafood flavor there because there is nori in here. Oh. I didn't bring a spoon, that's why I'm picking it up. I suck at chopsticks. How was that? Was that all good? Ball on them, all in my face, and all you hear. My baby's gone. There's a little bit of runny nose today. I'm like, really? Patrick's sick as well. I'm like, how can you not, for me, to not go anywhere all week? And they're sick. Patrick has an ear infection. I'm like, are you kidding me? Oh man. That was really good. Oh, he's coughing really bad. So it's all done. Again, a subscriber. Ooh, I didn't want to come out. Oh, and my shirt. 2 spots, 2 spots, 2 spots. So that's it, guys. I'm done. Let me know what else you guys want me to do. It's really freezing here. This was just my ramen video. I finally did it. It was delicious. Next time maybe I'll do a seafood, but where I live, it's like I can't get fresh seafood unless I drive all the way to Seattle. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, don't forget, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye, guys. See you later next time.